Welcome back everyone, my name is Lee from Lily's Kitchen. Today we are making yogurt and I'm going to show you how to make it from scratch. So the first thing I'm going to do is heat up our milk. So I've got some full cream milk. It's actually gone out of date, so this is why I want to make some yogurt today. So what we're going to do is I've already measured out how much yogurt I'm going to be able to fit in my yogurt maker. So we're going to put our milk into a saucepan and we're going to heat this up to just before boiling point, which is about 82 degrees Celsius or 180 degrees Fahrenheit. And then after it reaches that, we're going to turn it off and then we're going to let that drop down to 46 degrees Celsius or about 115 degrees Fahrenheit. And now this is already pasteurized, but I think from all the research that I was seeing, it actually improves the thickness and everything of yogurt if you actually do this heat treatment. So let's get onto it. So while that's heating, I thought I'd discuss the yogurt. So for the first time you'll be making yogurt, you're going to need to buy a small tub of a yogurt with live cultures in it. So just read the label on the back there and you'll see it has the live cultures in it and that will generate the yogurt. So make sure you just get a small tub like this. This we probably won't even use maybe half of it. And then when the next time you go to make yogurt, all you're going to do is use some of your current yogurt into your new one and so on. So you don't need to buy yogurt anymore. It's just a good way to use up all your milk. So today I'm going to use my yogurt maker to actually make this. Now, these are pretty cheap from the supermarkets, so I've already got one. But if you don't have one, you don't need one to make yogurt. So there's a couple options. So you can wrap it up in a towel and just place it in the oven with the light on overnight. Also, if you've got an air fryer oven, some of them have the dehydration setting on them. So you could set that to maybe 35 degrees and leave it in there for 12 hours. Or if you've got a dehydrator, you can also put it in there as well. So there's lots of options to do it. So anyone can do it. Okay, so this is now hit 82 degrees or 180 degrees Fahrenheit. So now we're going to turn this off. And now we're going to let this cool down to 46 degrees Celsius or 115 degrees Fahrenheit. And if you want to make this process a bit faster, you could also pour this over ice and cool it down a bit faster, but I'm just going to leave it, let it cool down naturally. So now the milk has come down to temperature, so 115 or 46 degrees Celsius. You're going to add our yogurt. So as a guide, per litre of milk, you're going to want to add a quarter cup of yogurt. So I'm going to be using about a quarter cup today because my yogurt pot holds about a litre of milk. So now I'm going to add my quarter cup of yogurt into the warm milk. Now you could use more yogurt if you want to. There would be no issues with that, but you just want to use the quarter cup as a real guide. Just with that in, make sure it's all combined. And then I'm going to pour it into my yogurt making container. Perfect. Now we're going to put the lid on this. And if you don't have a yogurt mate, you could use definitely a mason jar or something like that. Now I've got the yogurt maker. We're going to get hot water, boiling water, and we're going to fill the bottom up. And we're just filling it up to where this thing finishes up here. Then this will go in there. lid goes on. And now we're going to let it sit for 10 to 12 hours. So I will open this before I go to bed tonight, and I'll show you how it looks. So the longer you leave it, the more it will ferment and the stronger the taste will be. So that's completely up to you. If you don't like a really strong yogurt, you could probably go for about 8 hours. So before bed last night, I just pulled this out the yogurt maker and I'll just transfer it to the fridge. I'm about to just open it and see how it turns out. Look how delicious and thick that is. And the great thing about this is you can put your own mix into and everything in it as well. So I've got some frozen passion fruit, and then I'll just add a little bit of sweetener. That's gonna make great yogurt. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a good old like. And if you'd like to subscribe, I've got more to come. See you soon.